Welcome, my dear students. I would like to introduce some practical applications on sequences and series. This video contains important problems for math lovers.
A man saved at the end of a year a sum of money equals £7,500. If he exceeds what he saves every year by £1,500 more than the preceding year, find the money that is saved in the 17th year. And the total saved money in 17 years. Solution: the money that the man saved at the end of every year form the arithmetic sequence as you see: 7,500, 9,000, 10,500, and so on. What's this? It is arithmetic sequence whose first term is 7,500 and its common difference is 1,500. The saved money in the 17th year equal T17 equal A plus what? What should I put here after plus? E plus what? 16D equal what? By substitution equal what? Equal 7,500 plus 16 times 1,500. From the problem, review the problem, review the previous steps. Either if you review the previous steps, you will notice that this is the first term and this is the difference. This equal what? This equal what? This equal 31,500 pounds. Dear student, you should also write this part in your notebook because we will need it to understand the following. Every step depends on the previous. Write this please. Write this please now. The total money that are saved in 17 years equal the sum of 17 terms of this sequence starting from the first term. Dear student, you should also write this part in your notebook please after the previous before writing anything. We will need these steps in the following part. Every part depends on the previous. Please write this part now before the following. Equal n over 2 times a plus l according to the rule. According to the rule, what should I write now? Where L equal T17 equal 31,500. By substitution, what will we have? By substitution in the rule, what will we have? Of course, this equal 17 over 2 times 7,500 plus 31,500. Now, this equal what? Calculate. Or review. 331,500 pounds by using calculator. This is the total value. Monthly salary of an employee is 1,200 pounds, and he gets a yearly constant increase at a rate of 6% more than his salary in the directly previous year. How much is his salary after 6 years? Solution. The mean salary and the salaries after increase form a geometric sequence. And these are the terms of the sequence. As you see, the first term is 1,200. The second term, 1,200 times 1.06 according to the given 6%. The third term is 1,200 times 1.06 power 2. The next term, 1,200 times 1.06 power 3. The next term, 1,200 times 1.06 power 4. And so on. Geometric sequence. It is a geometric sequence, as you see. The first salary, the second salary, and so on. Notice that it is a geometric sequence. Write this part now in your notebook because we will need it to understand the following step. Every step depends on the previous. Please write this part now. It implies E equal 1,200, R equal 1.06. And now, what is the salary after 6 years? We will see now. Therefore, the salary after 6 years equal T7, the seventh term, from the previous sequence. This equal what? We will see now. This equal ER power 6 according to the rule. Review the rules. This equal what? From the previous steps, what is the value of A? What is the value of R? What is the value of this? This equal what? This equal 1200 times 1.06 power 6. This equal what? By using calculator, you obtain 1,702 pounds. 1,702 pounds. Now we want to see another problem. The opposite figure represents 6 squares forming an infinite sequence where each square resulted from the midpoints of the sides of the square which is directly greater than it. If the area of the greatest square is 16 square units, find the sum of areas of these squares up to infinity. Again, if the area of the greatest square is 16 square units, find the sum of the areas of these squares up to infinity. Solution: since the area of each square is half the area of one which is directly greater than it, since the area of each square is half the area of one which is directly greater than it, therefore, what will we have? We will see now. Therefore, the sum of areas of the squares up to infinity forms an infinite geometric series whose first term is 16 and its common ratio is half. Therefore, S infinity equal 16 over 1 minus half. This according to the rule. Notice that 16 is the first term and half is the common ratio, and we calculate the sum to infinity. This equal what? This equal 16 over half. Equal 16 times 2. Equal 32 square unit.
Best wishes from me for all of you, and thank you very much. Goodbye.